Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone and AirPods Pro 4 are current and connected. That avoids audio lag. Once paired, open Translate or enable Live Translate in Settings Translate. This lets the system route mic input from the AirPods. Now, place the AirPods in your ears and select the languages you need. Choose source and target so the device knows what to listen for. Make sure microphone access is granted. Without it, translation will fail. You're now ready to begin a live translation session. Now initiate a conversation. Open Translate's conversation mode or use the Control Center Live Translate tile. This routes both sending and receiving audio through your AirPods. Press the mic and speak, then pause for the translated reply. Apple buffers short utterances to improve accuracy. If the other person speaks into their device, make sure their mic level is adequate. Otherwise, switch to handset mode for closer pickup. Adjust volume and microphone sensitivity so the return speech is audible and natural through the AirPods. To finish, end the conversation in the app and optionally save useful phrases. This builds a quick reference. If translations seem wrong, speak slower, use short phrases, and move to a quieter spot. Background noise is the most common cause of errors. Once done, make sure your AirPods firmware installed updates. If problems persist, restart Bluetooth, toggle microphone and translate permissions, or unpair and repair the AirPods. This usually resolves lingering routing or permission glitches fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.